Right, welcome to Matchday Anime. Okay. On my far left, I have Freeman, the man, the only one, the Kosi fan. I won't go overseas, but the Kosi fan. Halala.
This is Kalagamna.
Ntes khala kamnandi.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. Please subscribe and follow. It helps our channel a lot. And we saw the previous episode had good views, so we thank you for that. Carry on supporting, and let's get to today's episode.
In the middle one, we have the one and only, Tavington, Dr. Tavington, Mr. Football himself.
Aye.
Ngakubiza ngawo wonke uthanda liphi. Mnandi.
Yeah.
Boy, top notch. You see, today I'm actually in a good mood. Last time when I was here, I was going. So you see, today I'm actually in a good mood.
Oh, way.
Things are looking.
Yeah. You saw that performance against
Orbit College.
Yeah, Orbit College.
Boys, we are coming. The only issue is, can we remain consistent?
Yeah.
Can Kaizer Chiefs remain consistent?
Can
Can
they
they keep
put-
up this
yeah.
form?
Can they put that performance for the next 5 games?
That is the question.
Because that was a brilliant
Yes.
performance.
Can they replicate the beginning of the season? Can they?
No,
No, let me actually wait. That performance was the best performance of the season. That
Yeah.
performance that they were against Orbit College.
Yes.
It was the best
But I'm talking about-
performance. Yeah.
Remember at the beginning of the season, we had like,
Consistent.
can we replicate that, Spuda?
let me speak as a football fan, not as a Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Yeah.
If you check our first 5 games,
Yeah.
we were winning.
You know what's crazy?
That's what I'm saying.
You know what's crazy? He said, let me talk as a football.
Yes, I'm a football fan. Football fan.
We are listening.
Our first
Let's
5
start.
games,
Let's start.
we were winning games,
Yeah.
but we were not playing well.
Mhm.
Like we're grinding goals.
Yes.
Instead. But now we are winning the game.
And we are playing well as well.
Yeah, when I'm saying we're winning the game, we are winning everywhere in terms of position, play, scoreline, everything. Because if you check, ever since we got a chance to introduce our signings, things have changed.
Exactly what I was complaining about.
changed.
I was asking, Snoban Wayangasai.
Yeah.
All those guys that I was complaining about,
Yeah, now
now they're getting enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Short and Joe Chislet. His question was, don't we think that we should give Umyane credit? We have been from day one. There is
Yeah.
no Kaizer Chiefs
Yeah.
fan that has said something negative about Umyane. Basically, he was our best player at the beginning of the season.
He was.
So we gave him credit.
We even rooted for him when
Yeah.
when Hugo
Bruce
Bruce
was doing his things.
Yeah.
But Fit, let's not over-focus on Kaizer Chiefs. Let's not over-focus on the biggest team in AC. Let's just talk about the Betway Premiership
Yeah.
for a minute. Because this is actually a bit tricky. You can say whatever.
Yeah.
It's actually all about one game.
Yeah, and also this season it's entertaining.
It is entertaining.
because you don't know who's gonna win.
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
Because now it's like it's a one game thing. If you check, if Pirates has a game in hand, but that game in hand, as you speak, that theory of a game in hand is invalid. Because you can never know what you have next.
True that.
and if you lose one game, so Pumegu top 8. Number 9 straight.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Number 2, let me check number 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. They
Yeah.
are 19 points. And number 2 and 3 are 22 points.
Yeah.
If you lose, then you're going down. Like,
Yes.
wah.
Yeah.
But this is what we want to see.
Yeah.
And this is what we want to see.
Now, I still have an issue with like other teams of the PSL. Because I feel like these guys, they're only stars when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, man. Like Golden Arrows, for example.
Yeah.
So I had faith in those guys. I thought they were like they were going to get points out of Orlando Pirates.
But shouldn't we give Pirates the credit?
No, the
no.
reason why I'm not giving Pirates the credit, right,
Yeah.
is based on how those teams play against Orlando Pirates. Against us, they come full force. Even if they concede,
Yeah.
they equalize, they don't sit back. But against Pirates, they equalized and then they set back. You get what I mean?
Yeah, after,
After they equalize, but against Chiefs, once they equalize, they attack more.
they go more.
So I have an issue against that. Yeah.
Question is, don't you think Pirates is able to neutralize the counterattacks instead of like the teams playing poor against Pirates?
Question. huh?
Okay. That's
No, yeah, I was about to repeat this question.
Yeah, repeat the question.
So you were saying, to those who couldn't hear, you were saying, don't we think that Pirates has the ability to neutralize those counterattacks from those small teams? Basically, that was the question.
Can I answer it?
Yes.
I like to differ on that one.
Yes, you are
'Cause,
listening.
if you check the squad they used against
Check whose squad.
Pirate squad,
Yeah.
they used against Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
You might think it's strong
Mhm,
up until they lose. Then the fans will tell you what that was a weak squad. The Pirates fans, if you ask any Pirates fans,
Yeah.
they will never use Umbutuma as their number one striker. Still, you will never. You would rather put Umabasa Nomahope
Actually,
than to put Umbutuma. On
okay,
a serious
wait,
note.
let me give you guys here. Continue. Yeah.
So with Umbutuma has replaced Umabasa. Look at the games that have passed. Umabasa, when was the last time you saw Umabasa playing?
The fact that the coach is using him more does not mean he has replaced. On a serious note, as fans,
Okay, so back to your point. Yes, you're
so
telling us
my
about
point is
yeah,
they won with
a weaker squad.
a
Sort of.
weaker squad, sort of.
Yes.
Because if they had lost,
Mhm.
I'm telling you, the fans were gonna expose the stronger squad. But why didn't you use this guy?
Yes.
Why
yes,
did
yes,
you use
yes,
this one when you have this
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
So,
yeah,
but the fact that it worked,
Yeah.
it does not mean that was their strong squad.
yeah.
Yes, if you check, Golden Arrows fumbled.
Yeah.
Okay. They were supposed to
Carry on with that
create the
Yes.
entertain the game, but
Yeah.
I don't know what happened, but they switched off.
To beg to differ, what's happening?
They switched off in that game.
Bro, I'm listening to you guys talk, but from what I'm hearing is that you don't want to give Pirates credit, boy. Pirates
It's
currently,
not-
Yeah.
no, Pirates currently are in form, and Pirates currently, I'd say, are the best team in SA currently. Pirates. I'm basing this on the
They didn't-
squad that they have.
They didn't beat Sundowns, though.
Yeah, but
And if you can
but-
check, if you can compare
but
Pirates
you
to
can
us,
also say
Yeah.
Sundowns didn't beat Pirates.
yeah. But you can also say Sundowns also didn't beat Kaizer Chiefs. And if you can compare our results to Orlando Pirates,
Yeah.
regardless of the game in hand,
So
their results are equivalent to ours because we lost points against the very same teams that Pirates lost points. We dropped the points against the very same teams where Pirates dropped points.
yeah.
The only issue is that one game in hand. Excuse me. If Pirates were to win their game in hand,
Yeah, they'll be above Kaizer
with
Chiefs.
only 3 points, which is a one game difference.
Yeah.
So why would we give credit to a team it's in form, but it's only 3 points ahead of us, where they drop points in the very same teams, very same places where we also drop points.
Because they're performing well. Wait, they haven't.
No, but
I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying, but currently, but also.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying?
But I get it. Yeah, I get your point. I get your point.
Yes.
I get your point. But Pirates, boy, they're playing well, and also they have a deep squad.
We all have a
Pull
deep
from.
squad.
no, but can
Okay. So in Tongaisho, like you guys are not giving a Pirates credit because you are trying to protect the Chiefs. Take away Chiefs. Don't talk about Chiefs. Talk about Pirates. And the other thing, the reason why you should give Pirates credit is Pirates didn't start with a strong foot. The reason why we say Pirates is on form, Pirates started low. It came up. The Chiefs, the reason why we won't give Chiefs credit is it started high, then it went down. So now it's just coming up. Remember, if Pirates lost, the Chiefs covered those things by draws. The Chiefs has more draws than wins. The Pirates has more wins than draws and loses. So I can.
No. We are stretching it in fun. But how can we give
what you are saying right now is
Yeah.
it's like I can even say Skokune has played better than Pirates.
Okay, Jen. Okay.
Exactly. That's what you are saying.
Makes sense.
Skokune has been a weak team for the past.
Yeah.
They came this season, they are high. That's what you are saying right now.
Actually,
That's what
answer,
you're saying.
number one
Because-
is Kukun. Oh, but 2 days back, we were number one.
No.
Wait.
Okay.
Throughout the whole season, he do give credit to his Kukuni, or you did what you are saying now as Indalama Manga. No, you didn't, because right now we are saying in Indalama Manga.
Okay. Between Pirates and Skokun,
Yes.
which team can you say it has improved?
It's Kukun.
It's Cocoon. But you guys want to give it Pirates. Pirates is supposed to be there. Obvious. In fact, it's supposed to be number one.
And we're talking
It's
about,
supposed to be
we're talking
number,
about
but it's
number
still
two.
number two,
But
number
that's
three,
easy.
number two,
And
number
actually,
three.
let's talk
It's
about
supposed
this.
to be number one.
Let's
So
we're
what
talking
credit
about.
are we giving?
We're talking about
What
number
credit
two.
are we
We're
giving?
talking about number two of last.
Yeah, so
Number
it's
two
still in the
plus-
same position.
It was Amache.
So what credit are we giving? What credit are we
No.
giving a Pirate?
Yes. Yeah, like
Like,
yeah,
it's a big team. So if
Point
you're
is-
number two
point
last
is-
season, you're supposed to be number one. But you're
Yeah.
still on same position and dropping going to number three.
If they lose the league towards the end, because right now I don't think, and it's a one point, like it's a 1 game difference. I still say,
Yeah.
of course, you can win the game, the league with one thing.
Shiny State. Sundowns has played 12 games. Pirates.
Yeah. No, I reference Kaizer Chiefs because we played 11, and we have 22 points, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, we are 20.
So if you win,
Number two. I'm giving you the reason why it's in number two. Has it played better? Yes, it has played better. You know why?
true.
It has won more games than your team Lego number one.
you are explaining things that a Pirates fan would say. What I said to you was, why would you give credit to a team that's leading? We're including a game in hand, by the way.
Yeah.
We're including a game in hand, by the way.
Now I'm just checking the game.
No, just checking the logs. Yeah.
Yeah. So, is it,
yeah. Point is, Pirates is the same amount of points as Kaizer Chiefs.
yeah.
But with a game in hand. And remember, a game in hand, my man, a game in hand does not mean a game won. And I say to you, it's all about 1 game difference. And I repeat my points too. Orlando Pirates dropped points in the very same places where Kaizer Chiefs dropped points.
Yeah.
It's all a difference of 1 game. So why would you give credit to you guys if you yourselves drop points in the very same games that we drop points? Current as we speak, let's ignore the game in hand because the game in hand is not a game won.
Yeah.
Right? So you guys, same points as us, drop points in almost equivalent places as us. You understand what I mean? This very same team as Bam and the Pirates are Bam. And then you guys, the only thing that you have is a game in hand on us, but the very same points. Why would we give credit to that?
James, I just
No,
want to
yeah.
the question now. So who are the favorites currently?
Win
Yeah.
championship.
Between Sundowns, Pirates, and Kaizer Chiefs.
I kept saying I can win a Knicks.
No, for me, it's either Kaizer Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns. The reason why, let me explain. The only reason why I'm saying a Pirates is not going to win the league, right?
Yeah.
Is because I'm not convinced.
Yet.
Listen, I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna listen. What I'm saying is, the reason why I'm saying it's either Kaizer Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns. Regardless of what you can say about Orlando Pirates,
Yeah.
they failed to beat Mamelodi Sundowns. Even in MTN 8, whereby they won the MTN 8. They didn't beat Sundowns for 90 minutes. Actually, those guys, they didn't beat Sundowns. If I think it's twice this one, like 3 times. if not
Yeah,
3
yeah,
times,
yeah.
But one is Sundowns. That for me is enough to show that they are not at that level yet. Listen, I didn't say Chiefs did.
But also,
The reason why I'm saying Chiefs can win the league instead of Pirates. Let's just say I'm going to give the top 2 Chiefs or like Pirates.
yeah.
Is because Chiefs team a momentum. If we can catch a train, of course, Sibalius by the Pirates on the other hand, they've caught the train for the past 2 seasons. They
Yeah.
failed to reach the finish line. We've
Sure.
seen this before. What they are doing now is nothing special. We've seen better.
We've seen better.
What
from
is
Pirates.
happening? What is happening now? We've seen better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that season
We've seen better.
of Rulani
Yes.
and who's this?
even
who's this-
Even Rivero, you can say that guy was a
The
failure.
coach before Rivero, man. Who was it?
Umechu.
Yeah. That Sundowns.
No,
that
but
Pirates.
I'm
was
gonna go
crazy.
recent. Even the Orlando Pirates of Rivero can say was the best like Pirates in recent times.
Yeah.
That guy was supposed to win the league. The only reason why he was not exposed, he managed to hide with Caps.
Yeah.
But the league, Rivera was supposed to win a league. With those performances, with those players, it doesn't matter what happened. They were supposed to win the league. So if you can compare that Pirates to this one, that one is better.
But this Pirates is
No.
cooking, James.
Okay, ngobani?
Yes.
Ngobani?
Where's the cooking? Where's the
Ngobani?
cooking?
Yeah, wait, from
If you try to let me
Yes.
if you see
ngithi
the
ngisike kancane nje indaba yena
Yeah.
between umdu nalo master chef.
nah, yeah. But let me
no,
see.
That's
no.
the whole.
Don't
We
compare.
must compare. We must compare. We must compare. We must
You
compare.
don't compare.
guys-
Bazohlangana, that's when you'll compare. Manje,
It's
talk
too
about
far.
talk about the previous performances. Don't talk about comparisons.
That's what he's doing.
Yeah.
That's what he's
No.
doing.
You
Yeah,
can't.
that's what he's
Umtu
doing.
is on form. We say that. Umtu is on form.
Umbule.
Umbule is not on form.
Oh, but
Umbule is
he-
still
but-
trying to catch. That's why I'm getting.
So wait.
Also, let's address the elephant in this room after
Wait.
that. After so, remind me.
Yeah.
Remind me, Spoon. After you're done with your point.
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah,
Before you finish, remind me. We must talk
Saying
about
upgrade.
we must talk about Sipombuli.
Mina
Continue
sengithi
your point.
upgrade.
But after your point, we must address Indaba Sipombuli, and it's not funny, but yeah, yeah,
Because okay, fine. But Umbule is building up and everything.
yeah.
But do you know that guy gets so much praise? He's the master chef. He does this. Fine.
Yeah, this guy's expensive.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Besides,
Yeah.
ukuphasa. Ukudedela amaphasi enikeza ama-left
Sideways,
passes,
by the way.
sideways passes,
Sideways passes. Yeah.
That guy doesn't produce anything.
Nothing.
No assist, no goals. If bekade ujersey number 7 besiyombiza u-007. Nix.
Actually, how many games has that guy played without a goal and assist?
Fire.
Whoa.
But you guys are shadowing that thing.
Whoa.
Ngama-passes wakhe lawa.
Actually, like so, and your point is coming back to Sipombuli, Bafethu. And it's no longer fun. Because last time I checked, Sipombuli are two ox. He's not axis.
It depends- yeah, he's in attacking.
Yeah.
It's an
Holding
attacking
for
midfield.
who? For who?
Nah.
As I want to check how many appearances does Sipombuli have this season?
I think it's
Yeah.
like 13, if I'm not mistaken.
So which means he has passed 007, he has passed to Ben 10. He's now
Sekalanje 16 manje.
and he's an attacking midfield at that
Attacking
time.
Is he-
midfielder.
No way. Pirates. He's
No.
no way.
Taba explain. Taba
No.
He's only playing attacking midfield for Bafana.
Okay.
Pirates is not playing.
He's playing what?
He's not.
What?
He's
Playing
playing.
what?
He's playing.
Yeah, he's playing as an 8. Same position as Tyler Slow said. He's playing as
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
What is he cooking? What is the master chef?
No.
What is he cooking?
Wait.
It's not Uchi. Where's Tani?
Fan iskambule.
Umbule is fine.
Collect ibhola.
Collect ibhola.
Then relax isigame.
Relax.
Yeah. He's a holding midfielder. He controls ispan sakhe ukucontrol igame. Ispan
Unduli.
Exactly. Nduli. Perfect.
fully defending midfielder.
Wenzani?
I don't know. Where's Tani?
I don't really way cooks way. I don't really. So
Wait. Dancing.
Utansini akadlala umbulu mayiphakathi.
Obani odlalayo? Unemthajela.
Untangela i-attacking midfield.
That is a lie.
Udlalani uNomthanjela? Udlalani?
That is a lie.
Udlalani?
Nina ungabheka nispanisa ama-midfielder ayi-2. Unemthajela noNduli noMbuli ahead. That is how you play.
uNomthanjela i-box to box ndoda. uNomthanjela is more
Udlala kanje.
attacking.
No.
That's the thing. You guys
No.
are here to attack. And
No.
then you attack without research grand.
I-research
uNomthanjela
egrand,
ubheke last time
So-
uNomthanjela adlala as a defending midfielder uNduli bekangekho, which was against Sundowns.
Alright.
uNomthanjela is a box to box player, but most of the time is focusing on attacking.
That's true.
Every time uNomthanjela umayipusha.
So, okay.
Now ungathi the reason
Okay.
it's facts.
So,
Watch Pirates
Ima.
anibheki. Mina nibheka with a negative
But
art.
unemthajela uya-attacker.
Yeah.
uNduli yasala defend.
Yeah.
Umbuli yena usala yenzani?
Umbule is a holding
Okay.
midfielder.
Why is he cooking? If we are going forward, yena uholda in.
Uyakuka.
No,
Now you
stop,
were
stop.
nxamareni.
They are going forward. Hold that in.
Wait. Besides this, what you are saying when you are saying Sipombuli is doing what Yusuf Marat was doing for Kaizer Chiefs? Are you saying?
Not Mart per se.
Oh,
Hey,
Smart.
Mart.
yeah,
Yeah,
saying to us,
but Mart was more box to box, but compared to Trele, way.
Okay, wait. Ucele sesike sabona shaya ishot.
Yeah.
Uholding. No, last game nakushayela ishot. Last game. Against this Kukune washaya. Against this Kukune washaya. Against this Kukune washaya.
Slow.
Against this Kukune washaya ishot. Which game? Which game?
Ushutile last game against Golden Arrows ngibona ushot yakhe how ushutile abaclose.
Yeah.
That's not the point that I'm trying. The point that I said Nosipho Mbuli is yazi kahle that title must stop
Okay.
stop explaining that not there. I master chef police. That is a master chef. Umuntu ophekayo.
Done.
Uyayishaya ibhodo wapolice. Stop explaining. Because now you next thing, my man, next thing you're telling us about Mfukeng. Hey, Mfukeng that master chef wethu umuntu wenza izinto zenzeke.
Yeah.
He makes things happen ngesingisi mfana. That hey, imagine. You can't tell me your master chef imagine is to hold the ball and relax the game.
And next the game. Money
That is not
money
magic.
loser wenzani? Money loser wenzani?
If you can check
Relax the game kanjani?
Shut up the game.
You know, akaza happy game that guy. Akaza
you know
Yes.
point
we
is-
are sure both
point is,
kuphela.
I feel like the name Master Chef, it deserved it in other teams.
Which
His
team?
Kukune was nice.
Yeah.
Super
He was
Sport.
productive. Sport was productive. Even Sundowns
Yeah.
was productive. Point is, that Master Chef name is not for Orlando Pirates because so far he's cooked nothing for Orlando Pirates. You understand what I mean? It's like opening the sniper. You know it's a sniper.
Yeah.
But if you can take Ukhrobla right now, Simpa is coast for Ukhrobla.
Yeah.
Just afika adlala into yakakambole or yakabhimimana. It's no longer a sniper.
It's no longer a sniper.
So as we speak, Usipho Mbule is no longer a chef. He's a waiter. He's no longer a chef. He's a waiter.
Because I'm in your control.
He's no longer a chef. Yeah, the controller. He's no longer a chef. He's no longer a chef. He's a waiter. The chef makes the chef for the right now, as we speak, he's a waiter. What is the chef?
Man, that's proper cooking. That's proper cooking.
I'm not cooking anyone.
Yo.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Yo.
The times we live in right now,
Ah.
we need goals, we need assists. You can't tell me Usman Mbule, a whole chef. His purpose is to hold the ball and release the game. I refuse to believe that's how you call your master chef. You know what I mean? Master chef must make things happen.
Yokokayo.
Must cook.
So you guys, these days, in order for a great midfielder to be great, you must make sure Guti we are assist. Even if it doesn't, even if a creative play, if I create a play and it doesn't end up with a goal, that means it's a bad midfielder.
Modern football
Requires for a person in each in their position, they must excel in what they are doing.
Yeah.
Unduli, wait, I'm gonna use the Pirates. I'm gonna use the Pirates. Oh, it's not effective. So I'm gonna use the Pirates as an example. So Unduli is a world class player because he's excellent at his position.
Thank.
He's a great defensive midfielder. Amazing.
Perfect.
Perfect. Police excels in his position because he's a fantastic winger and an attacking midfielder at times.
Yes.
He produces a goal or an assist or creates big chances. Same as Namtani, even though I'm not convinced yet, but you can give him credit.
Yeah.
In his position, he creates big chances.
Yeah.
Umbule, in his position, what does he do? He holds the ball. He relaxes the game. In modern football, he holds and again, We're not talking about the team that's losing.
not effective.
Whoa. We're not talking about the team a loser. The Pirates, they are never in a position where you can go relax because they're always on the front foot.
Yeah.
Why do you need to relax the game if you are the one dominant? You are the one. So why do you need to relax the game if you are in control of the game?
Yeah.
Already Pirates is the one dominator. Yeah, check out Malpumi back to Pirates. Control and if the team is already in control.
Who tells that even if you are in control, there's always that one there. that is
First, asimbuze then. Tell me a game where Umbule beangekho and you felt like he's
Umbule
missing,
akekho,
he's
yeah.
missing in that position.
Slow.
So,
Do you wanna come into the scene? Seems like nithi niyakhukha. Hello guys. Hello.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Bathi bayakhukha la bantu. I'm a biggest case
Master Chef.
hater.
Master Chef.
Oh, Master Chef.
I'm here to defend my master. Yeah.
Awuntshele i-replacements kaMbokazi.
Mbokazi ana replacement.
I-replacement kaCM.
Sino
Apolis.
sino
Apolis.
No,
Apolis.
yeah, i-replacement kaCM.
sinabonda
Between the two, ungachoose abantu.
between the two.
Yeah.
Obviously, the person who's currently playing.
CM.
That makes
So
sense,
CM akana
yeah.
replacement.
I replacement, yeah.
Uchain.
Ucheni akana replacement.
Apolis.
Yeah.
Apolis unayo.
Ubani?
Bakhona uSibelebele can get in Omoremi.
Ubani?
Okay.
Oh, let me try to use my mic so I can replacement Police. Ubani? Who mics?
Relax.
Replacement Police. Ubani?
Relax.
Oh, why?
Okay, relax.
Mics.
The reason why I won't be able to answer my questions with because you guys are attacking me.
Yeah, asking a question.
Angithi manje, angithi-
Question. Answer a question. Answer a question.
Ngeke ngi-answer. Because
I like to affect to defend your own team.
relax.
Answer a question.
Amathi
A question.
We are very much
No, it's a question. Answer a question. Answer a question. Answer.
I'm Lorenz Coca.
No further statement, please.
This is here.
I'm not gonna answer.
Here we go.
I'm not gonna because the reason why wait
Awuphendulanga phela.
wait
Awuphendulanga.
ngiphendule because angingayi chance ngifuna u-explain angithi I
Sika
came
mic
here
i3.
no angithi I came here so that I can say why I say Pirates as a replacement why I say no
Manje
angifuni uku-answer question yakhe the reason why I came here is for me to defend which why did I say Pirates has a squad to replace ukuthi when I say ukuthi Pirates can replace other players, I'm not saying ukuthi all those players have the same capabilities. I'm saying ukuthi we can still manage to win the game even if we put who and who.
I don't think so.
Slow.
We can
Do you
win.
know what is a
We won the
replacement?
game.
Do you know what is a replacement? There's a difference between a
we can
substitute
Okay,
and
we
a
can
replacement.
substitute. I rephrase that. We can substitute and still win the game. Izolo. Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
Which players did we win the game with? What did Apolisi do? He wasn't there.
Mhm.
He didn't cook.
Yeah.
He didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Did you substitute him?
Yeah.
For who?
He did come out.
For who?
He came out from it was Umfukenge, no Namtanje, no Mbutuma, no shit. I forgot the substitute, but Upumil.
Yeah.
Upumil Police. So we didn't win the game ngama police. We didn't win the game ngama usual starters.
Yeah.
We won the game ngama substitutes. Yes.
Mhm.
Because if Pirates got considered a goal, it was a damn goal. Because
Sure.
Mbokazi wasn't there, obvious.
Okay.
He came in. Mike Eza in. The Pirates came in with the information to defend.
Yeah.
But now, just because the Pirates is used to attacking football, we didn't defend. We went and scored. And who helped us score?
My friend, let me
Ngubani
go back
osizi
to your
lokhu
question. Yeah. Tell me a game.
Ngubani okorrect?
La Umbule abangekho khona and you felt like you miss him.
There is no game.
So you're telling us.
umsebenzi wakhe ke
Yeah.
ubaluleke kuphi if engekho you still don't miss him.
Let me rephrase
So-
this question again for interest.
Okay.
Whoa.
Asinte kanje. Tell me-
The Orlando Parents restaurant.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
When was it that the master chef was not available
Okay.
in the restaurant? The restaurant failed to run.
Before-
No, they
before
missed
we
the
answer.
chef.
Yeah, when did the restaurant miss the chef?
See, from before ngizoyi
And he
answer
answered.
leyo. You guys, there was a time where bengincoma ucele.
Oh yeah, okay, it's fine. Yeah,
there was a
it's
time
okay,
where
yeah.
bengincoma ucele.
Yeah.
You guys wanted him to be a squad in Semzana.
Sure.
Saying ukuthi this
Yeah.
and that.
Yes.
And then at that time,
you were like, na complain ngombule. Bule got a chance kubafana bafana.
Mm.
Didn't you cook?
Nope.
No, we can check the episode
Nope.
that you guys
Wednesday.
He
benincoma.
didn't cook.
You benikhala.
Wait,
Umbule
it can never
this,
be me.
umbule that.
It
Let's
can
try.
never be
Let's
me.
give it a chance.
Say,
Slow.
umbule this,
Okay.
umbule that, but it
Since-
just needs to be
slow.
fit.
Since we're here in that episode, right?
Yeah,
Masimngoma besithi wenzeni?
you cook.
And it can
Wednesday.
never be me.
You cook.
It can never be me.
Wait.
And
What
he-
is cooking?
ibhola lakhe
Remember,
bekaqeda, bekashaya amadoda.
you can't ask me.
Bekashaya amadoda. He was creating going forward. He was
That
creating
is- that-
attacks.
And then what you said earlier on, Uzwema Uten was creating chances. He was. You said to Pirates
Akayenzi.
HTC game.
No, akayenzi.
Whoa, stop.
Akayenzi.
Not so long ago, you said to us,
Yeah.
Usipho Mbule, release game. Control the game.
It's part of his role.
Right now, you're saying Simngoma because he was creating chances.
Okay,
He
Angel.
doesn't do that to Pirates.
It doesn't create chances with Pirates.
No,
It doesn't have
If
forward
it
passes.
did, that's going to be the first thing that came into your mind when you asked
No.
you what
Ngiyabuza.
Orlando
Okay,
Pirates.
mina phela manje the way an attacker ngakhona uSipho Mbule,
Yeah.
it's like as if uSipho Mbule just comes in the field and just stand there in the
No,
middle and
no.
don't do
It's,
anything.
it's
uSipho Mbule
ineffective.
has the
It's not
no,
effective
he is
for Pirates.
effective. uSipho
Kanjani?
Mbule has ama capabilities ka Tito Maswangayo. You see what Tito is doing? You see what Tito is doing now? Try to cover USipho Mbule has big defenders. There are many. Yabona, what you're doing right now, you're being defensive and you're being hating on Sipho Mbule. For the fact to visit yo in. You guys, you don't watch. You just watch with an hating eye.
Police Simbona va, you are police.
Because obviously, Nami,
Simbona.
I have my players. I have my players. Who Chiefs. I have my players. Who Chiefs and okay, I watch this person. I know this person is danger.
I don't even care about Unduli, but Spine sakhe siyancomeka.
Mfana ne-Ox naso siyangomela. Because it stands out. It stands out.
Umbwe, there's nothing that stands out.
There is the reason why it's called MasterChef. The reason why why ama players, why ama fans where Pirates can say we want Sipho Mbule on the field.
There is no one
What
who is
he
as
can do.
delusional as a Pirates fan.
Nani,
Umuntu aphume kwi-CAF,
nani,
athi
nani.
at least
Khali knockout.
Nani manje
Who
just
said
said,
that?
Nani you just said you're gonna win the league. You are most favored than Pirates. Is that not being delusional?
How? When we're in the same, when we have the same point.
No, you being delusional.
How?
You guys,
How?
you guys
But
only.
you are using an empty
Khali knockout.
Nani, you also think you in
against
calf.
CAF.
Nani also think you in calf. Nah, you also think you in calf. You
Nobody
also
sponsor
think you.
a CAF.
Hey, wait,
Now you also
where
think
are
you
we,
in
guys?
Champions
Where are
League.
we?
You're not in Champions League. You're not playing
Yeah,
Champions
but we're in
League.
CAF, right?
Second
We're in CAF,
division of
yeah.
Champions League.
Leyo nabuyidlala 2 years ago.
Right now.
No, leyo nabuyidlala 2 years ago.
That's how we-
Leyakhula. Leyakhula. Hawu.
Uzoyikhona.
Hayi leyakhula. Yakhula.
Uzoyikhona.
So manje ngitshela ukuthi
Thina sahamba sabuya nenkanyezi wena uyayiphupha uyibheke phezulu.
Which year?
which year? Yeah,
It
which year?
doesn't matter.
Ayikho.
Ayikho.
Okay, so wait.
Ayikho.
But for time sake,
Even your forefathers didn't witness it.
Slow, against Pirates.
did.
Slow, against Pirates.
Awukwazi bona Pirates
Slow.
win.
My forefathers did say Pirates
Against
leading a
Pirates.
star.
But we'll move on to like the next topic, which is Pirates.
Yeah.
Where does current form Pirates leave Mfukeng? I'm doing current Mfukeng. Where does the fact that Mfukeng was absent and the
But
team
he's
was
still
playing
playing.
well and winning? Where does that leave Mfukeng?
Okay, for me now, I would say maybe I'm talking for many Pirates fans.
Yeah.
I would say on that manner, it's
Yes.
where we give the team a credit. We
Yeah.
are balanced. That's
Yes.
when we say the team is balanced. We don't need an individual player.
Yeah.
Ukuthi manje, when the player is not there,
Yeah.
we fail. So Pirates right now is at the
No,
form
slow.
where
I get okay.
Yeah.
The question here
is
is
Mfukeng.
yes, where does the current Pirates form leave? Like one of South Africa's best talents.
Best talent.
Yes. Where does that leave Mfukeng?
So
Where to Mfukeng from here?
we remember Mfukeng before injury was uthole injury when he was starting to promise us something.
Yeah.
So igame yakhe ufikile against
Mhm.
Arrows. He gave us what he was promising
Okay.
before injury.
Which is
So-
one assist. I'm not convinced.
Yeah.
I'm not convinced.
That's
but
why
yeah.
like we can't say he's back,
Yeah.
but we can say we're hoping he's back. is gonna give us all that. So in
yeah.
engayisho,
What's gonna happen now?
remember we didn't usibelebele usithusele. He came,
Yeah.
what disappear.
But Usibele akadlali that side.
Yeah, udlala that side.
Yeah.
But Umuremi can also play that side.
Police.
Umuremi no Apolis can move in the middle. You remember they rotate and Mfukeng also plays in the middle.
So who's gonna suffer for Umfukeng? Ubani ozohlela kungena Umfukeng?
I think a player that's gonna suffer is a player that plays attacking midfield.
Yeah, but
Ah,
be specific. So
Yeah,
be specific. Be specific. Because
No,
right now the team is good without Umfukeng.
Yeah, the reason why I'm unable to say which player is
Yeah.
because the Pirates, Umangwabega past games,
Yeah.
we haven't been using one attacking midfield.
No, but you have attacking midfield.
Yeah.
Sumrem.
We have Umremi most of the time is a winger.
Yeah.
We have
But we are switcher though.
but Bonke Baswitch even
Exactly.
Apolis.
So, wins the same
Yeah,
thing.
so
Yeah.
that's why I can name one because we have
based
okay,
on the
we have
current squad.
Utito. Like,
Yeah,
name I'm
yeah.
attacking midfield. We have Utito. We have Namtangela is a starter now. We have Umbule. Now we are starter as attacking midfielder.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, attacking.
No, Unongena is an attacking.
It's fine. Let's yeah.
Then we have Apolis now Yangena as an attacking midfielder. We have Udlamin.
Oh.
Now Yangena.
Ah,
Okay,
no.
okay,
I mean,
okay.
no,
Ngicela
no.
ngicela ukukubuza this question
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
Do you think Umfukeng is now able to have a start?
Yes,
Like
in the
before.
Orlando Pirates team. With the
Yeah,
team that's been
with the
performing
team-
extremely well.
Yeah, for now.
That's why you know
Yes.
like before.
Manje.
Sengamfaka as a starter.
Yeah.
Manje. Nah, I think maybe after 5 or 6
No.
games.
Yeah.
No. Ngeke
Even
angene
if after
start.
20 games, do you think
Yeah.
a keeper bad?
Yeah, we're talking about Mfukeng.
Yeah,
A
who?
keeper bad.
Remember, I see ngegama siyange what does it give to us in the pitch?
A keeper bad.
Yeah.
Keep Umurem.
So
But-
according to you, would you
It's
remove
unfair to
Mremi,
Remy, yeah.
who is been
It is
performing?
unfair.
It is
unfair,
unfair
yeah.
to Remy because
But let's talk about
He's trying his best.
Yeah, let's talk about
I'm asking you,
let's talk about
according
11
to you,
for
I'm
me
keeper.
now. I'll go with Umuntu Engengambona Askaya his all.
yeah.
So
Ukeeper
manje
umuntu who is giving you his all.
phela
Yeah.
ukumkhipha kwethu akusho ukuthi he's not playing.
I know,
He
but
will be
as a
playing.
substitute.
Yeah.
Substitute.
Yeah.
I can say ukuthi Umfukeng noMuremi.
The question here is starting 11.
He's starting 11.
Starting 11.
That's
Who
why-
does Umfukeng replace Angene that's starting 11?
That's why I said
Yeah.
for the first 5 games I wouldn't
Yeah.
start Umfukeng.
And I will answer
I
question.
answer because I don't know how
Ah.
he will perform going forward.
But
Because
currently,
based on Umfukeng
Umazi
and
the
current play,
Yes.
one
yes, yes.
keeper, we current
Yes.
play, replace Umfukeng Omazi.
Let's not give Umfukeng high 5 games we can recover. No.
Khuluma
Let's just
ngomfukeng that you know.
ubuyile Umfukeng fit 100%.
Okay, I'll remove the midfielder. Who's a starting attacking midfielder with Perez? I'm fine.
Ngabe sibuza wena.
Yeah,
You
I'm
know why
like,
you know,
no,
you know why you're
I'm
confused?
Yeah,
This guy Uwadu
Yeah.
starting 11.
yeah, akana a midfielder, akana
una
a
starting
midfielder,
11.
akana.
Epic
So,
ne but
okay, so my
it's a bit
with yeah, ukuthi
Unebheki kuphela.
ukuthi e-center ngizo-replace abani, I can't answer that, but
Yeah.
I can say Umfukeng, I'll start him as an attacking midfielder. I think now
what we
the
need
Pirates' current form,
what we need is as we just need a specific name. Who would you
Yeah, I
sacrifice?
think
I'll sacrifice Umatwanga.
Is he currently the starter in on the
That's the
Pirates?
thing. That's why Uwadu hasn't given us a starting midfielder. A starting attacking.
Let's not put you in that spot.
Yeah.
Let's move to some other boys from Chlorokop. Spaghetti Bologna.
I've been saying Sundowns
Yeah.
is gonna be the decider of the league.
Yeah.
How will it decide the league?
Yeah.
It will decide the league based on 2 teams. Mina on this ukuthi ubani ozothatha league, I remove Sundowns. I keep. Sundowns will be Sundowns
Let
will
me
be the decider
Yeah.
for 2 teams. Angazi Chiefs izongidisappoint or me, I'm a fan of Pirates, but I like fighting against Chiefs. That's the only fun fight. Against Sundowns is not.
ufuna
Ufuna
type
impi.
decider
Yeah,
between
ngifuna impi.
because
So-
Nepagani.
Ipagania and the Chiefs, I see them. Sundowns will be the one to decide. How will it decide? Izoshaya one of the 2 teams. And uma ngiyibona mina with my eye, with the current form, even though the Pirates couldn't win against Sundowns, but we're not here because we could have won the game. We all saw the game. We could have won the game because we created more dangerous chances than Sundowns.
Yeah.
So into engayisho, Judging i-Chiefs edlalile kule weekend, i-Sundowns won't win against that Chiefs. So I can say i-Chiefs izosishayela i-Sundowns, i-Pirates ithathe.
But
But
you are
izoshaya
actually
na.
sleeping on Sundowns.
We're sleeping.
I'm telling you.
I-Sundowns
Tell you the truth.
bafethu niyibonile i-Slaughterhouse. Niyazi mara i-Slaughterhouse.
Slow.
Esigodini sikamabize. Ayikho i-team ezosishaya lapha.
Slow.
Phela umkoko.
Ayikho i-team isishayile.
Mkoko.
Isishayile.
Oh, nikukhafu.
No, isishayile na.
Nikukhafu.
No,
Okay, i-Sundowns nishaya kuphi? I-MTN 8 nishaya kuphi i-Sundowns?
sishayile.
Kuphi?
Angazi besiva.
I-result bithi nishaya ngani? 90 minutes.
Extra time, yeah.
Eh?
Sishayile extra time.
Anishaya ama-penalty?
Sishaye khona. But did it score more goals? Did it score? Did it score?
Nishaye
No,
VAR.
did it score now? Did it
No,
score?
Nishaye VAR.
Did it score?
So nishaye VAR.
Wait,
Okay, now,
wait.
when we go-
Seniyabaleka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngisantshela nge-Sundowns.
Okay, yeah.
Sundowns.
Okay.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as no card also, we're not sleeping on it.
When
It's, all,
it-
it's sleeping on itself.